Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are witnessing a moment that car enthusiasts have been dreaming about for years. Toyota has officially pulled the covers off its most ambitious project yet, the 2027 Toyota GR GT. This isn't just another sports car. It is a road-legal race car born from the DNA of the GT3 world and the spiritual successor to the legendary Lexus LFA. If you thought the Supra was the peak of Toyota performance, get ready, because the game has just changed forever. Take one look at this exterior, and you'll see that every single curve has been dictated by the wind. The GR GT features a striking, elongated silhouette with a hood that seems to stretch for miles, housing that front mid-engine layout. It's built on Toyota's first-ever all-aluminum body frame, draped in carbon fiber reinforced plastic panels. Up front, you've got those sharp, aggressive LED signatures and massive air intakes that feed the beast within. Stepping inside the cockpit, the GR GT shifts from raw racing machine to a high-tech masterpiece. The interior is a masterclass in driver-centric design, heavily inspired by the craftsmanship of the LC500 but with a modern digital edge. You're greeted by a digital instrument cluster and a massive infotainment screen running Toyota's latest Arene software. But the real magic happens under the hood. Toyota has moved away from the V10 of the past and developed an all-new 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. This engine utilizes a hot V configuration, where the turbos are nestled inside the cylinder banks for instant response. This V8 powerhouse is paired with a performance-focused hybrid system, pushing out a staggering 641 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. Now, let's talk numbers. While official pricing is still being finalized as we approach the 2027 release, industry experts expect the GR GT to start around $200,000. While that's a significant jump from a Supra, it positions the GR GT as a direct rival to the Porsche 911 GT3 RS and the Mercedes AMG GT, offering supercar performance for a fraction of the original LFA's price tag. Safety hasn't been ignored either, though the focus is on performance-based stability. It comes standard with Brembo carbon ceramic brakes and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires to ensure you can stop just as fast as you go. It also features a specialized stability control system derived from Toyota's Le Mans winning race cars, keeping you glued to the tarmac whether you're on a canyon road or the Nürburgring. In summary, the 2027 Toyota GR GT is the flagship we've been waiting for. It's a bold statement that Toyota is no longer just playing in the sports car segment. They are looking to dominate the supercar world. It's light, it's loud, and it's unapologetically fast. The GR GT is proof that the passion for driving is alive and well at Gazoo Racing. This is a car built by racers for racers, and it's destined to become an instant icon. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Toyota's new Halo car, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more supercar content. Drop a comment below. Would you take this over a 911 GT3? I'll see you in the next one.